Would you like to have a stable job with good salary? Would you like to be paid to go to school? Welcome to the machining program at LVTC, where students get a salary for being in class and on stage. Did you know that this program is being transformed and updated in 2021? This new version of the machining program better reflects the needs of the industry and integrates latest technology in the field. As a machining student, you will learn to make parts on conventional and numerical control machine tools. You will acquire all the knowledge and skills necessary to set up, operate, and program manual and automatic CNC. You will become familiar with many measuring and cutting tools. You will learn to create parts by using lathe and milling on both conventional and CNC. In other words, a machinist is a skilled professional that combines the art and science of metal cutting to create mechanical parts. Become a machinist by training at LVTC, and 40% of your learning will be done in industry. So you start training, obtain a job, and get paid for both. LVTC partnered up with organizations and businesses to offer students to be paid while attending school and stage. A new career as a machinist starts with training at LVTC. Develop important skills, work habits, and attitudes employers are looking for. Receive the help, support, guidance, and expertise of our fabulous teachers. They will lead you to a successful career in the trade. Register today in the machining program at LVTC. A different direction towards a different life. Online at lvtc.ca or call us 819-563-JOBS. That's 819-563-5627. See you soon.